Hi everyone, hope you're well. Thanks for joining me for another video today. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below, and of course subscribe to the channel. Really help it grow and start off. Just wanted to look at the .USD chart today, and DOT is a coin that I own and I'm very bullish on. And I was just kind of noticing sort of where we are. And recently over the past sort of few weeks, we've had a very nice move up. You can see it's been really consistent. We've spent a little bit of time above it, a little bit of time below it, but this sort of W shape that we had, we have ultimately kind of broken through it, which is, really positive. And if we just kind of take a quick sort of measured move from this kind of, bottom on the 20th of July, or this most recent bottom, to kind of today, this is showing that, we have gone up about $24, and, more than 230%, which is, really bullish and ultimately it's hopefully going to be a very good sign for Polkadot. When we had this sort of capitulation back in May, down to the bottom, we can see more than a 77% bleed that we've actually shown from on this chart. But we have ultimately kind of been able to recover a lot of that, and hopefully we are on our way to new all-time highs. One thing that I just kind of had picked out is that as I said, from this point on the 20th of July up to the present day, we've just kind of been growing and increasing the price, and we've not really stopped. And I was just kind of looking at this, this sort of level here of about $26.3. We can see over here on 17th of August, we weren't able to hold this, and we did ultimately get rejected and come back down. A few days later, we held it very slightly, got up to the $28, and unfortunately did bleed again. So this sort of level of $26.2, which has been kind of previous resistance, could potentially offer a little bit of support if we did kind of come back down. Again here, this $28, which over here you can see on the 21st of August, again did offer a little bit of resistance. And again, this sort of level of around the $30 mark, if we break it down into those big sort of levels, $10, $20, $30, that could potentially offer some level of support, hopefully. But if we just kind of come back to this $26 level, we can see over here on 15th of June, 5th of June, and again we had a couple of wicks up to it on the 28th of May. This could potentially be looking at a level of support that we could have, having previously offered some resistance. Again, had a few wicks up to it on sort of around the 20th of May, and again another wick up to it on the 3rd of June, and this is now the 28.7 USD per dot level. And then again over here on the 21st of August, what we talk a lot about on this channel is previous levels of resistance and support, and we are looking out for these different levels of support and resistance potentially, just because as we were saying, we've had this huge kind of 230% move, and I think it was about 48 days, so very short time frame. Just coming back to sort of before the capitulation, this level that we're at right now, this kind of $34.5 range, you can see had a few weeks below it. 4th of May acted as a support. End of April, acted as resistance, and around here we were, sort of trying to battle with it. And then just kind of going back more and more, we can see we spent a lot of time around this sort of level of this $38.50 mark. So we come back up to it today, and let's see what happens. We will be keeping a very close kind of eye on it. If we just go through to the 1 hour chart now, you can see that we're really right up to it. Earlier today did have late last night I should say, actually. We did kind of get rejected, come back down, a very small move down, 3% or something, and ultimately we have gone back up. Will we be able to break this resistance? Will we hopefully be able to spend a little bit of time making it as a big level of support? And I think that this level, if we are able to flip it, and if we can have a move above it and sort of try and hold it as a support for the next few days, I think that could offer huge resistance moving forward for DOT. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, and see you next time.